Right, let's talk about the most brilliant student I ever had. So this guy was, something special. He started off from minus something. So when I met him, he was, you know, recovering from a drinking problem, stuff like that. Really hardcore stuff that really, you know, you could feel for him. But when I met him, I said, yeah, of course, they started the lessons, no problem. And he couldn't start at that point because I could tell he wasn't, he wasn't at zero yet, right? And he started lessons after a couple of months, and after like a year of lessons, he was basically the first out of, I don't know, 60 people, something like that, with a huge mark, something like 98% or 99%, which is unheard of, right? That's talent. That's been done 100% on his perseverance. So he didn't have like an architect's family, or because I had like colleagues that had their mum was an architect, and that helped. But this guy just built himself up from zero, which is a really inspiring story. Sounds familiar. I did the same. Basically, when I started off, I failed my first exam. Maybe not as inspirational as my student, but definitely sounds familiar. Right, take care, stay motivated, and draw nicely.